Oh boy, I don't have glasses. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Garage Couple. On today's episode of Garage Couple, we are going to show you the absolute best plug-and-play LED headlights for your Jeep Wrangler JK. So stay tuned to watch us install that, as well as show you how to adjust your headlights so you don't piss everyone on the road off.
So my name is Aline.
And I'm Greg.
And our channel is all about DIY, Jeep upgrades, very affordable, everything using tools at home, and just kind of spending time in the garage. If you guys like what you see, make sure to subscribe. Also, we have an Instagram at Garage Couple, so you get to see more on a day-to-day basis what we're doing, different things on the cars, more, again, day-to-day.
Let's get started on these LED headlights.
Do it.
So we are no stranger to LED headlights, but like everything else in life, you get what you pay for, and there's a huge range of different LED products and headlights that you could purchase. Some as cheap as 50 bucks, some as expensive as 1,000 bucks. So we have these on our JK. These are the half halo LED headlights. These have a turn signal as well as DRL, and they're excellent headlights. However, they're not plug and play. They require an anti-flicker harness, as well as you need to figure out two different power sources to get that daytime running light as well as the turn signal. So currently we have it all set up. We've been running this setup and it's been great. We took our turn signal light from our blinker bulb over here, and then we used the fuse tap to get the daytime running light. We did something very similar for our Jeep TJ over here. And if you're wondering what this is, make sure to check out the video. It's a sequential turn signal blinker light and daytime running light as well. Awesome stuff there. So we're both running the same headlights. They're very bright, they do the job, we like them a lot. This is our winch cover over here, aka Aline's jacket over there. But, so let me talk to you guys about these headlights that we're going to be installing today. So these are completely plug and play. You don't have to tap into any wiring at all, and you don't need a anti-flicker module. That is honestly so incredible that they make headlights like this. Now currently these run for about $98, which is fine, because typically headlights run around that much, plus you need like the $40 anti-flickers. So these are the, I don't really know how to pronounce that, the
Jackson-no-go?
Jackson-no-go? There's no-go territory over here, I don't know. But so as you can see, pretty awesome install instructions, and let's get to the meat of it. They come packaged like so. A full ring of daytime running light as well as turn signal. The actual headlight area looks pretty similar to the ones that we have, and it also comes with that wiring harness that makes it plug and play. This thing is amazing. If you plug it in to this turn signal over here, and then you connect one to the headlight and one back to the turn signal, and you get full power for everything on the headlight. So without further ado, let's go ahead and remove the grill and let's get the ball rolling.
So the first thing we're going to do is just take off the grill so that we have access. Alrighty guys, we got them all out, more so broke them all out, so tip for you guys, replace them before they crack.
We've done this so many times and we've never had issues with them. Finally they broke. So now that you remove all of the top clips, just go ahead and pry the grill out. There's a couple clips on the bottom that hold it in place. This is true as well with the stock bumper. Go ahead, just pull it, yep. So because of our front bumper, grill doesn't come totally off. That's fine. There is a ring that holds the headlights into place if you'd like to demonstrate that. You're going to need a T10 screwdriver to remove the T10 screws around the ring, and then the headlight pops right out.
How many are there, Greg?
Looks like there's 4.
Okay.
Could be 5. It's probably 4. Should know this by now. Alright. So access is everything. Out with the old headlight, which is still really good by the way. And as you can see, here are the separate connectors. Let's take a look at the new headlight, what it looks like. This is the difference. This is plug and play and the other one is not. Let's go ahead and install the plug and play harness. Super easy to do. Just come down here where the turn signal light is.
Yeah.
Unclip it. Clip it into the new harness. Go ahead and get one of these two ends, plug it back in, clips right in, and then this one goes into the headlight. This is the anti-flicker module. This is to prevent the headlight from flickering. This is required with all other headlights, that is not this one. And we installed this a long time ago. So let's go ahead and remove it. That's it. This is what it looks like.
Nice.
So this is how we had tapped for the turn signal bulb. We just used a T-tap right into the blinker. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that now. We no longer need it. So now the easy part, time to install the new one in. Seriously, can't get any easier than this. You just plug both of these in. We made our new plug as well as the factory plug. You don't need any resistors or anything like that. Screw it back in with the ring and it's time to adjust it. We'll go ahead and get some night clips, but for now I'm gonna just drop it in and let's do it. And just a quick tip, one of our Torx screws was stripped. You don't need to remove all of them. Yeah, you can just leave it in. It kind of wobbles out. There's plenty of room to drop it in. Gonna unlock. This is in broad daylight. As you can see, the blinker works. Let's see the daytime running light function. And nice slow fade back on. Awesome. Why don't you show the other headlights? The one that we just removed, just on this side.
All right. Definitely excited for the new ones. Definitely excited for the new ones.
Alright, just to be extra clear, it comes with this adapter, the one you plug into the turn signal, as well as this different headlight adapter. So among the TJs, the JKs, there's different types of headlights, and this is the one that you have to use this. You have to use this in order to make it work, but it comes with everything you need, and honestly, this is the easiest headlight install I have ever done. So I'm going to go ahead and attach these now. I've already removed the headlight, just like the other side, nothing more to see there. Let's go ahead and attach these adapters and let's move right along. Time to make our connection. And let's plug in our daytime running light function.
All right, wrapping it all up.
Straight. Using the same T15, you can go ahead and adjust the elevation screw, which is located right over here. Now, I recommend doing this in the evening with the headlights pointing at a level road, so you can adjust it just enough for it to not blind others. But we know ours are pointing up a little bit, and so we just lowered it a little, and we'll go ahead and readjust that as the sun sets. We can't really do that right now. And you want to make sure they're level with each other too, so they don't look off as well. And so we connected everything, and we put the grill back, and let's see how it looks with everything put back together.
You guys, how's it going? I'll leave this over here for you guys. Just want to stop by, say hello, have a wonderful weekend.
You too.
Thank you, you too.
It's not windy for you guys.
Well, don't jinx it.
What's that?
Just don't jinx it.
Well, I know it's supposed to be windy Sunday,
Got it.
so get everything done before then.
Yep. Are they straight?
They are straight. Alrighty. And this is what they look like, my friends. Oh,
Wow. It's so luxurious. Look at that slow fade back off.
sick.
So bright. Now let me put the other blinker on.
Wow. If this isn't luxury, I don't know what is.
Want to get a close up?
Yeah. Wow. Thank you guys for watching.
This is how the headlights look, the daytime running lights in the shade. The blinkers work, everything works. It's such an easy install and I highly recommend it. Now, just in case you missed it in the beginning, it's by Jacksonogo. That's who makes these headlights. Take a look at them. They're relatively cheap, under $100, and this is the outcome. We love that the turn signal comes on and the daytime running light slowly fades off and it slowly fades on. That's just something you're not going to see with other headlights. So I highly recommend these for the money.
We'll put the link in the bio if you guys want the link.
And again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for free giveaways. Maybe we might give away a set like this in the future. And thank you for watching.
Don't forget also our Instagrams, @GarageCouple. If you guys want to see our day-to-day activities, what we're doing in the garage, make sure to check us out and give us a follow.
Peace.